Out in the stillness of the Nevada desert, something impossible waits. No signs, no directions, just 7 towering stacks of stone, painted in colors too bold for this barren land. They don't belong here, and yet, they're very much here. They call it 7 Magic Mountains, but don't let the name fool you. There's more mystery in this place than answers. Some say they appeared without warning. Others believe they were always here, just waiting to be noticed. 7 totems, 30 feet tall, radiating like signals to the sky. Who built them? Why here? Why these colors? No one really knows, not fully. But we went there, we stood among them, and what we saw and felt was strange, haunting, beautiful. This is our footage, our lens into the unknown. You're watching ShotSeekerMedia, and if you're drawn to the unexplained, to hidden places, eerie beauty, and the questions no one is asking, then stay with us. There's more coming. Subscribe now. Don't miss what's next, because the desert keeps its secrets, but we're going to find them.